Okay, we're going to get started with Module 15 here. We get into logarithmic and exponential functions, but we have a little preliminary work learning the algebra of functions here. Now remember, we read this f of x equals x plus 6 and g of x equals x minus 9. So this first one here is going to ask us to add the two functions together. Sometimes you might have a parenthesis around this too. Sometimes it's left off. But so we're going to add the two functions together. Well, f of x is x plus 6, and g of x is x minus 9. And remember, what we're doing in this problem is we're adding these functions together. So now we just need to simplify this, and we get 2x minus 3. Okay. Then this next one here says that we're going to take whatever f is, and the f function is x plus 6, and we have the g function is x minus 9. And then what we're going to do is we're going to subtract those two functions. So what we have to be a little careful with on subtraction is that we're subtracting this binomial here, so we want to make sure and distribute that negative. So what we get here is x plus 6, and then we get minus x plus 9 because of this negative being distributed into that parenthesis there. And what we end up with is the x's cancel out, and we have 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay. And then this one says f times g of x. So whatever the f function is given up above, x plus 6. And the g function is x minus 9. And then we get something that we're quite familiar with at this time of the course. We're just gonna FOIL this. We get x squared, outside negative 9, positive 6, 3x, and then minus 54. Okay. And then this last one, we're just division is f over g of x. And so the f function is x plus 6, and the g function is x minus 9. Okay. Guess I can make this print this in black here. And then a common mistake of students here is that they end up canceling these x's out, but this is a binomial and a binomial, and we'd have to cancel it out as an entire binomial. So this is actually done. You can't simplify this at all, so that's your answer for the division. So there's addition of functions, subtraction of functions, multiplication of functions, and division of functions.